Adaptations in animals. Like plants, animals are also found everywhere. Some in hot areas, some in cold areas, and some in wet areas. The place where animals live is called a habitat. According to their habitat, animals are divided into 5 groups. Terrestrial animals, animals that live on land. Aquatic animals, animals that live in water. Amphibians, animals that live both on land and in water. Arboreal animals, animals that live on trees. Aerial animals, animals that fly. Animals have to adapt special features to survive in their particular surroundings. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Elephant, dog, rhino, etc. are terrestrial animals. They have certain features that help them to live on land. All animals have a proper breathing system. Some animals breathe with the help of lungs. Animals have well-developed nervous system and sense organs. The sense organs help the animals to hunt and protect themselves. They have strong legs that help them to run fast. Some do not have legs like snakes. They crawl along the ground. Animals that live in hot deserts have thick skin that protects them from heat of the sun. Camels have long legs to keep them off from the hot sun and help to keep its body cool. They also have a hump for storing food to cope the scarcity of water and food. Animals like polar bear and penguin live in colder regions. They have thick coat of fur that protects them from cold. Polar bear has white colored fur that protects it from enemies. These animals have layer of fat called blubber in their body. This helps to keep their body warm and provides food in winters. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, crab, turtle, etc. are aquatic animals. Fish breathe with the help of gills. They have following features that help them to live in water. Animals like fish have streamlined body that help them to propagate in water. The fins help them to swim. The tail helps them to change the direction in water. Respiration is through gills. Seals, turtles, and whales have flippers to swim in water. Some aquatic animals like whales and dolphins have lungs to breathe air. Aquatic birds like duck and swan have webbed feet which help them to paddle in water. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Frog, toad, and salamander are amphibians. They have following features. They have lungs to breathe on land while in water they breathe through moist skin. They have special adapted limbs which help them to float in water and also move on land. Arboreal animals. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Monkeys, squirrels, and chameleon are some arboreal animals. They have following features. They have strong limbs that help them to climb trees. Their hands and feet are adapted to grip branches. They have long and strong tails to swim from one branch to another. Aerial animals. Animals that can fly are called aerial animals. Birds, bats, and insects are aerial animals. They have following features. Birds have wings to fly. They have feathers to keep the body warm. They also have hollow bones that make their body light to fly. Bats have wings which help them to fly. These wings are stretched across arms and fingers. Insects also have wings to fly. Adaptation for food. Different animals have different eating habits. Their body parts are adapted accordingly. Herbivores. Animals like cow, deer, and giraffe are plant-eating animals. They have sharp front teeth to cut the grass and flat, grinding teeth to chew the food. Carnivores. Animals like lion, tiger, and eagle are flesh-eating animals. They have sharp pointed teeth to catch and hold their prey and to tear the flesh. Birds like eagle, owl, and vulture have hooked beaks to tear the flesh. Omnivores. Animals like crow and bear eat both plants and flesh. They have flat and sharp teeth to grind the food and strong beak to tear the flesh. Parasites. Animals like tick, lice, and mosquito that live in or on the body of other animals to obtain food. They are called parasites. They have sucking tubes to suck the blood from the host body. Adaptations for protection. Animals have developed some ways to protect themselves from enemies. Camouflage. Some animals like polar bear and chameleon have ability to blend themselves in their surroundings. Polar bear has white hair. Chameleon has the ability to change its body color according to the surroundings. Thus they confuse their enemies and escape from them. This is known as camouflaging. Migration. Some birds of cold regions leave their homes and travel to warmer areas to protect themselves from severe cold. Hibernation. Some animals like snakes and lizards sleep during cold weather. They move in underground caves or holes and come out in summers. Estivation. Some animals like crocodiles and lungfish go to sleep for a long time during summers. Some animals like rhino and deer have horns to protect them from enemies. Some animals like tortoise and snail have hard shells to protect from dangers. Some animals like porcupines and spiny anteater have sharp spines on their body to protect them from enemies.